Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to provide a solution to this particular question. Okay, now let's look at this problem on the board. Now look at what you are given. You are given that the integral of 2 to 3, the integral of 2 to 3 into 8s to the power of 3 plus 3s squared plus 6s dx. Now this is what definite what integral. Okay, remember that integration is a process of finding the antiderivatives of a function. Okay, now what you are going to do, our first step, what you are going to do, remember that this boundaries is from 2 to 3. Now our first step is to integrate this function with respect to x. That's our first step. Okay, now let's integrate individually. Okay, what did I mean? Let's integrate 8s to the power of 3 with respect to s. I also integrate 3s squared with respect to s. I also integrate 6s to the respect to x. So if we integrate this with respect to, I want to add that this is what 8 to the power of 4 3 dx, because we are integrating with respect to x, then plus 3x squared, okay, dx, because we are integrating with respect to x, plus 6x dx, because we are integrating with respect to x. Now once you understand that all this we are integrating, we have a boundary from what, from 2 to what, from 2 to 3. Okay, look at the boundaries, is from 2 what, from lower limit to upper limit, that means from 2 what to 3. Now if you are integrating 4x squared, okay, 4x, let me just put the integral here so that you understand what I'm saying. Okay, fine. Now all this must be in the bracket because we are integrating. Let me just put in the bracket so you understand what I'm saying. Okay, now we are having a boundary from 2 to 3. Okay, now let's isolate the coefficient of s to the power of 3, which is 8. Go to add that this is 8, the integral of what, s to the power of 3 dx, okay, plus let's isolate what, the equation of s squared, which is 3, the integral of what, s squared dx, okay, then what again, plus what, 6, let's isolate the equation of x, which is 6, having s to the power, well, this is 1, right, dx. And don't forget that our boundary is from what, from 2 to what, 3, which is from lower limit to upper limit. Wow, this is interesting, very simple and interesting. Okay, now let's integrate s to the power of 3 with respect to x. Okay, we're going to add that this is 8 into s to the power. Remember, when we are integrating, we always add 1 to the power, but when we are differentiating, we always subtract 1 from the power. Okay, that's why I say integration is the process of finding the antiderivatives of the function of a function. Is the process of finding the antiderivatives of a function. Okay, now we're going to add 1 to the power here. This power you are seeing here, which is 3, we're going to add 1 to the what, to the power, then divided by the same as we do also do to the denominator as 3 plus what, 3 plus what, 1. Now this you are seeing, you already integrate this, you are seeing, because you are already adding 1 to it. Whenever we add 1 to it, we have integrated. Okay, then plus 3 into, let's integrate s squared with respect to s. Now add 1 to the power, which power here was to add 1 to the power, divided by what, the same thing as the denominator, 1 2 plus 1. Okay, plus 6 into the same thing here, s to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus what, 1. Okay, don't forget our boundary is from what, from 2 to what, 3. Wow, this is interesting. Okay, now let's simplify this. We're going to add this is 8, okay, into s to the power of 4, okay, divided by what, 4, okay, plus 3s to the power of 3 divided by what, 3, plus 6s squared, okay, divided by what, 2. There were boundaries from what, from 2 to what, 3. Wow, this is interesting. Now 4 divided by 8 divided by 4 give us 2. What so this is 2s to the power of 4 plus 3, we can also add 3, right? I will end with what, s to the power of what, 3, plus 6 divided by 2 give us 3s squared. Okay, then our boundaries from 2 to what, 3. Now we already what, integrate this function. That means if we differentiate this, we're going to have what is here already. Okay, now what we're going to do now, since we are integrating this function, we're going to substitute our upper limit minus our lower limit. This is our upper limit and this is our lower limit. We're going to add this is 2 into 3 is our upper limit. In place of s, this is 3 to the power of 4 plus into what, 3 raised to the power of what, 3 plus 3 into what, 3 raised to the power of what, 2 minus our what, our lower limit. Now our lower limit is 2 here. Okay, we're going to add this is 2, okay, into 2 raised to the power of 4, okay, then plus into 2 raised to the power of what, 3, okay, plus what again, 3 into 2 raised to the power of what, 2. Okay, wow, this is interesting. Now let's simplify it further. Now we know that 3 raised to the power of 4 simply means 3 times 3 to 4 place, which is what, 81. Okay, that's 81. Now what to add, this is what, then this now be what, this now become what, 2 what, 2 into what? 81, right? 81, okay? Then plus 3 to the power of 3 give us 27. Okay, 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27, right? Now plus what? 3 into 3 to the power of 2 give us what? 3 to the power of 2 give us 9. So you're having here as what? 9. Okay, 9. Now remember our subtraction sign is here. We are still subtracting. Okay, from let's do this. This will give us what? 2 into this will give us 16. This will be 16. Okay, then plus this will give us 8. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Okay, then plus 3 raised to the power 3 into what? 4. Because this is what? 3 raised to the power, this will give us 4. Okay, that's good. Now 2 times 81 will give us what? 162, right? 162. Okay, 162. So this is what? 100 and what? 162. Okay, plus 27. Then 3 times 9 give us what? Plus what? 20 what? 27 again. Then minus. You're having a minus sign. Look at this minus sign you're seeing here. Okay. Then 2 times 60 give us what? 32. So you're having here as 32. Then plus 8. Then plus what? 12. Because of what? Because 3 times 4 will give us 12. Now let's sum this. 27 plus, let's say 27. 27 plus 27 give us what? 27 plus 27 give us 7 plus 7 give us 40, right? 4 and carry what? 1. Okay. Then this plus give us what? Give us 2. We give us 4 plus 1 give us, this is 54. Okay, that means 27 plus 27 give us 54. Okay. So let me remove this from here. Okay. So now this is what? 60 what? 60. So, and 162 plus what? 54. Okay. Then minus our lower limit, which is what? Now let's sum this. 12 plus 8. 12 plus what? 8. Now 2 plus 8 will give us what? Will give us 10. Then we'll write 0 and carry 1. Okay. Then 1 to give us 20. That means 20. So that is 20. So I'm going to add this is into 32 plus what? 20. Okay. This is interesting. Now I can remove this from here. Okay. Now 162 plus 54. 162 plus 54. Let's do it. 162 plus what? 50 what? 4. Let's sum it together. Now 2 plus 6, 4 plus 2 give us 7, right? It give us 6. So this is 6. Now 5 plus 6 will give us what? 5 plus 6 or 6 plus 5 give us what? 11. So we write 1 and carry 1. So we'll carry that 1 to here, it will be what? 2. So this will be what? 2. That means this will be 200 and what? 216. Okay, so we can remove it from here. 200 and what? 216. So this is what? 201.